and I will share some sample profiles where people are earning as good as $50, $60 per hour. Okay, can you imagine that? You are earning $6 per hour with the same skill set, people are earning $50, $60 per hour. Hello everyone, this is Anand. Welcome to Career Talk. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can multiply your earnings by working from home. You can earn 5 times or 10 times of what you are earning today just by using your same skill set and expertise. So stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to share very important information today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and also hit the notifications button because it will help you get notified as soon as I post any new video. Thank you. Now, as we know, because of COVID, we will continue to work from home for few more days. What I want to share with you is because you're working from home and because you have the flexibility to utilize your time well, you can actually start earning by doing some freelancing. And when I say freelancing, there are a lot of websites in India. For example, Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Simply Hired, TopTal. There are many more websites which allow you to work as a freelancer. So what you need to do is create your profile on any of these websites, okay? And create your complete profile in terms of your education, in terms of your professional background, in terms of what work you have done and what is your skill set and expertise. What happens on these websites is that there are different companies or different clients who look for talented professionals. Let's say if you are a web developer or if you are a Python developer or a full stack developer, there are openings for all kind of skills on these websites. What you need to do is you need to go there and register yourself, mention your profile in detail and also mention the rate at which you will work. So essentially what it means is that instead of having an employer in the middle, you directly work with the customers or the clients. Now this is the key and let me explain how you can earn 5 times or 10 times of what you are earning today by doing your job. Suppose you are salaried employee and you are earning, let's say 80,000 per month in Indian rupees, which means around 9.6 lakhs of package per year. Now 80,000 per month, if you convert it to daily, it comes out to be around somewhere around 3,600 something if you consider 22 working days per month. And if you compute hourly, then it will come to around 450 rupees per hour. Okay, which means in dollar terms around $6 or around $6.5 to $7 per hour. So which means this is the rate at which you are working today. Now what changes when you go to freelancing websites is that you directly get to work with clients or customers on various projects. Now I will share some profiles of existing professionals on these websites. These folks have done a lot of projects on these freelancing websites and they are earning at the rate of around $50 per hour, $60 per hour or more, which if you compare with your salary is around 10 times of what you're earning, okay? So as an employee, you're earning $6 per hour, while by doing freelancing, these folks are earning $60 per hour. Can you imagine that? Now, these people have an advantage, okay, that they are already on those websites for many years now. They are really good at their skills. They have started early, which means they have already done some projects and that means they have some credibility and their profile is very strong, so they get clients very easily. Now when we talk about skills, your skills can be Python, your skills can be a front-end developer, back-end developer, full stack developer, Java developer. It can be anything, you know, just go to these websites and search. There are a lot of jobs available out there and it will give you the flexibility to work from home. You can work on weekends, you can work in late nights along with your job. So in COVID times, as we know, we are going to be working from home for a few more months. This is a very good opportunity to fine-tune your skills by working on some live projects, okay? If you are really talented on technology, you can really go and do some projects over there. Initially, you may need to keep your rates a bit low or at times you may need to do for free. But once you have done some projects and once you earn some credits, okay, and make some credibility on the websites, then you can slowly increase your rate. Imagine the kind of money that you can make by working as a freelancer. I'm not saying that you leave your current job and start working 100% as a freelancer, but what I'm telling you is that because of this work from home or work from anywhere environment, the opportunities have increased. Now the clients and customers are looking for talent working remotely, and if you have real good talent, then there is an opportunity to make the most of it. If you have questions around this, feel free to ask me. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already, and hit the like button and share it with your friends and contacts. I'll see you next week in another video. Till then, take care. Bye for now.